Hi, my name's Rachel. I'm the homegrown gardener, and today we are out at my farm, Dubai. I'm excited to be doing a farm tour and to expand my gardening knowledge. So come along with me today, and I hope you have a good time. This is my first surprise of the day, and here we have some cotton plants. It's amazing to see this growing in the Dubai desert. In this section with the animals, and you can see we have got some turkeys and some chickens and some sheep.
The new boy. There we go, here's Rachel.
Hello.
With a little newborn.
A two-day baby goat here, and it's just adorable. It's so tiny. Hello. Fatty practicing his fathering skills. Two-day-old baby goat here.
So cute.
Oh, he likes you. Here we have a large pile of compost that is part animal waste and part food scraps and other material from the farm. And Mohammed was explaining that they chop it up into small pieces to accelerate the natural process of the breaking down of the compost.
Natural load. Okay. If it's coming from the soil, it's going back to the soil. And we use this circular loop. If you go in the forest, nobody clean, nobody cut, nobody maintain, nobody give water, nobody.
It just decomposes.
It's a cycle. So we try to copy what's happened in the forest for our system. So we can use the
You just leave it?
No, we can use a new technology to do it faster. So we use a shredded machine, a big machine to break it down, or else you will keep this for many months without to move. For example, those one back, they have 1 year.
The branches there?
Yes. So imagine that's 8 months with the technology. Without technology, it's still good.
My Farm Dubai is helping to reduce food waste across the UAE by taking produce that's not being able to be sold at shops and composting it. And you can see here there is a massive pile of avocados that were shipped into Dubai to be sold, and these are the ones that were not able to be sold on the shelf. They dry them out and then use them in the compost. It's just amazing how much food waste in just one vegetable avocado from one shipment. As we're walking around the farm, we're tasting lots of different herbs, but we've come across this radish that was absolutely enormous. This puts my radishes to shame. Apparently it's about 5 or 6 kilos. Wow. We're inside the high tunnel and it's just glorious. There's all these lovely cherry tomatoes growing, rows and rows of them. It's just stunning. It's such an amazing time. If anyone's interested in organic food or farming, I really encourage you to come out here and check this out. You're able to purchase herbs that are grown organically on the farm, air dried and then packaged up here. I'm definitely going to take some chamomile myself and make myself a lovely organic, locally grown chamomile tea. It just smells incredible. And they're locally made soaps made with olive oil from Syria and local herbs. It's just stunning. So they've let these glorious little animals, or anyone that knows me knows how much I love chickens, and they've let them into the high tunnel to clear up the bugs, and I guess they're fertilizing while they're at it. Oh yeah, look at these beauties go. Chickens! Oh, what an experience. Oh, I'm having such an amazing time. This place is glorious. in the high tunnel with tomatoes. They've let the chickens in to clean up the bugs. Just having an absolute amazing time today. So I'm here with Mohammed from My Farm Dubai, and he's just telling this amazing story about the soap.
Yes, this soap is have a very nice story. The red one is a clay from Morocco, my heritage. The green clay from France, where I was born and where I grew up. The camel milk from a sustainable farm, local, Emirati, where we are living. And the charcoal from the palm dates, what will be maybe.
Amazing story. Thank you for sharing that with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Rachel.
Had an amazing morning out here. Had a great experience walking around the farm, learning about the organic gardening practices that they have here. I'd really encourage you to come out here and experience it for yourself. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy gardening.